Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, and together we'll unlock the secrets behind the objects we use every day. From ancient artifacts to modern marvels, get ready for a journey through time, technology, and a dash of mystery. Let's dive in and uncover the stories hidden in plain sight. Toothbrushes. They're part of our daily routine, but how much do you know about their history? Let's brush up on the fascinating evolution of this essential tool. The earliest toothbrushes were actually twigs called chew sticks, used by ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Babylonians, and Chinese. These sticks had frayed ends that acted like bristles to clean teeth. Imagine using a twig to freshen your breath every day. In the 15th century, the Chinese invented the first true bristle toothbrush, using hog hair bristles attached to bamboo or bone handles. These were effective but not exactly hygienic by today's standards. The idea spread to Europe, where softer horsehair bristles and handles made of wood or ivory became popular. The modern toothbrush began to take shape in the 18th century. An Englishman named William Addis is often credited with creating the first mass-produced toothbrush. After serving time in jail, Addis decided to improve the tooth cleaning method by drilling holes in a bone handle and inserting tufts of boar bristles. His design was a hit and laid the groundwork for future innovations. The 20th century brought significant advancements in toothbrush technology. In 1938, nylon bristles were introduced, replacing animal hair and improving hygiene and durability. This innovation coincided with increased awareness of oral hygiene, spurred by World War II, soldiers returning home with improved dental habits taught by military dentists. Today, we have a wide variety of toothbrushes to choose from: manual, electric, sonic, and even smart toothbrushes that connect to your smartphone to track your brushing habits. These advancements have made maintaining oral health more effective and convenient than ever before. The toothbrush has played a crucial role in improving public health by making oral hygiene accessible and effective. It's a testament to how a simple tool can evolve and adapt over time to meet our changing needs and enhance our quality of life. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of everyday objects. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share your thoughts with us. Keep exploring, stay curious, and tune in next time for more everyday mysteries. Until then, remember, there's always more than meets the eye.